Hi, my royal family. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you're oldie but goodie, thank you for keeping with me. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. On my channel, we talk about saving, budgeting. If that's something you're interested in, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and watch me on my journey. Now today we're going to be budgeting out $192. I don't think it get any more low income than that. Yeah. It's my income, not my spouse's income. If you're on my channel, my spouse does not budget. So it's just me. So I am budgeting $192. Let's hope I got that right. But $190. So less than $200 for the week. All right, enough chit-chatting. You know me, I'll go rambling on and on and on. I talk too much, right, Shelly? Talk too much. But I'm going to start by doing the coins. I know I shook you guys up. Yes, wake up, guys. $192 budgeting. Yeah, on Shelly Dares to Budget. I think that's the lowest ever. So I'm just dropping in the coins. Drop. So this is what she's looking like. She sounds great. So the first divider we have is baby boys. So in baby boys, we do have $1, and you know what happens with the dollars. They go right in here. So as usual, my boys still get their 20. 20 for my boys, but that couponing, $20 for couponing, $20. Next we have gas, and in gas we're gonna do 30. Next we have groceries. In groceries, I'm gonna put 80. So 20, 40, 60, 80. So put this 20 back. 20, 40, 60, 80. Groceries. Me, myself, and I. Yeah. So me, myself, and I have 20. But guess what? I'm giving myself some money because guess what? I'm the one budgeting. I deserve my money, okay? $20 goes in my envelope, my divider every week. And it's going to stay that way. Unless I have $100 to budget. maybe it would change then if I have $100 to budget. But this is my to bank envelope. Dividers. I used to have envelopes and now I have dividers. So from time to time you will hear me say envelopes. But I actually now have dividers. So what I'm doing right now as I speak to you guys is just separating the money by denominations, right? So 50 first, then the 20s, then the 10, then the 5s, and then the 1. So this money is going towards purchases that I made on my card, or another candle girlfriend of mine. She does have a YouTube channel. You can check her out. She's I think her channel is All Things by Frida. She just texts me. She just texts me a candle related question. Like we help each other with business related things. You know, as small businesses should. You know, we should help each other out. But anyways, let's get back to the budgeting video. Candle videos is on another channel that I have, and vice versa. But I think her channel is All Things by Frida. Okay, so if you want, you can check her out. All right, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 40, 50, 155, 161. Ooh, 161 towards the bank. Almost as much as what I'm budgeting. Ain't that something? 161 and I'm budgeting 192. Oh man. Anyways, all the dividers are stuffed and they're ready to go into my wallet. So I'm gonna leave that here. Ooh, what did I do, guys? Oh no, I flipped it. It goes this way. So baby boy's in front and then the cash in the back. Okay, so we're gonna go towards sophisticated, and in my sophisticated binder I start off with beauty, and most things are getting $1, guys, and I think it's important to stuff what you can or what you think is important, even if it's with $1. So $1 is going into beauty. Birthday is also getting $1. Sometime when you buy things, you might need to pay a tax, so that dollar might come in play. You know, that's the lowest I ever put in there, but I'm still stuffing something. And this is showing you an example of what I mean when I say, even if you have coins to save, you save them coins, okay? So in business, I'm putting $1 also into business. And then next is car maintenance. And in car maintenance, I'm also putting $1 in car maintenance. So $1 goes right in there. In clothing, also $1. So $1 goes in there. In dining out, I did take out the money from last week that I did spend. I did spend a lot, and I forgot to take the money out. Sometimes I use it and I forget that, oh yeah, I did spend some money on dining out. Entertainment is also getting $1. And money did come out for this. Netflix did take their money from me, so I had to take that money out of here because that's an automatic withdrawal. So is my Hulu and something else that I have. Hulu, Netflix, Amazon Prime. That's entertainment because I do watch the channel, the Amazon Prime videos. Okay, heat and electric. Unfortunately, all I can put is $1 towards that, I think. Oh, $10. We're putting $10, yeah. Because the bill is $300. Yeah, I gotta put more money towards this. Yeah, just a few more. Next week, it's due at the end of the month, so I still have time. Household is getting $1 as well. And miscellaneous is getting 0, which is the next envelope coming up. I will show you guys. Miscellaneous, so that gets nothing. So we close up Miss Sophisticated here. And then we move on to Miss Sassy. Now Miss Sassy, she is my prime saving binder. That means that money doesn't come out here until that allocated time frame. It could be months or a year All right, so in Christmas, we are putting $1 in Christmas. Just $1, not $2. Just $1. Just $1. Now in passport, I also said in my previous videos, I'm just going to keep saving $1 because all of our passports, besides the babies, the 2 babies, my spouse and I are very close in time frame with our passports, so we'll keep that. Now taxes, I am going to also put $1 in taxes. Water and sewer, I'm waiting for this bill. I've been waiting for this bill. That's all I can say. It's that time for this bill to be paid soon. I always paid a month in advance, and that time is coming pretty fast. So vacation is also getting $1. Last week, I don't know what happened. If something got extra, it got extra. If vacation didn't get stuff, it didn't get stuff. And I didn't really pay attention to the editing of that video because it was pretty straightforward, so there was nothing to cut or edit out. So guys, my royal family, that's it. The stuffing is complete. All my dividers are stuffed. All my binders are stuffed. So we are ready to spend and allocate these funds in an appropriate manner that we set them to be spent. And then as usual, this goes into my bank because that has to pay onto our credit card or go back into my checking account. And this is also complete. I saved $1 this week. To me, anything that I save or can save is great, even if I only save my coins. Well, Royals, I'll catch you in another week, another time, another day. Stay blessed. Hold your head up high. Look what I just did. $192 was stuff. And I feel great. I feel great. You yourself can do the same. You can stuff $100 as long as you feel good. Okay, that's what it is. I feel great. I feel blessed. I'm still alive. I'm still breathing. I have my kids. I have my loved ones. Okay, stay blessed. I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.